Toolots, reliable equipment, fast.
Now we're going to present you Dasin ST300 tea brewer. When receiving a new machine, get into parameter setting first. Factory default code is 8888. Reset your password or leave it back for more convenient operation. Get into advanced setting. Turn on digital surveillance. Real-time data will be displayed on the screen. We take number 10 for example. Get into brewing setting. Choose number 10. Choose type of tea. Set temperature. Immersion time. Water volume. First standing time and stirring time. Second standing time and second stirring time, which means after standing for 300 seconds and stirring for 60 seconds, the machine will stand for another 200 seconds and stir for another 30 seconds. The immersion time is the total time. The machine has a human-machine interface, 20 groups customer settings. For easier and more convenient operation, we can use above 5 groups for 4 to 5 liters of tea, and below 5 groups for 1 to 2 liters. Put tea leaves at this position of the tea bucket. Put tea bucket into the machine. It will click when putting in the right position. Otherwise, it will beep as a reminder of an error. Choose number 10. Press start. Then the machine will start to make the tea. Tea will get out automatically once complete. The machine will click for 3 times and you can take out the tea bucket. Then it will show complete and start a timer. You can find the timekeeping displayed on the screen. The tea leaves are stretched evenly in the tea bucket after brewing. Rinse the tea bucket with water for 2 to 3 times each time after brewing teas. Do leak test after cleaning the tea bucket. It can be used again if there is no leakage. Otherwise, remove the parts from the bottom of the tea bucket. Disassemble these 4 parts and clean again.
Toolots, reliable equipment.